You guys, welcome back. Today I'll be making Pla Goong, a spicy Thai shrimp salad so herbaceous and robust with a balance of savory, sweet, and sour. To prepare aromatics, slice the lower half of lemongrass stalks into thin slices like this. The thinner, the better. Kaffir lime leaves. Separate the double lobes. Stack and roll them up like this, and slice as thinly as you can. Shallots. Red and green chilies, the amount is up to you. The spicier, the better for me. Mint from the garden. And culantro. Shrimp. Any larger variety will do. Remove the shell. This pointy bit here, and devein. I like to keep the tail on, but you can remove it if you wish. Give it a few good rinses in water. On medium heat, bring water to a boil. In goes the shrimp. Not too long. Be careful not to overcook them. We want the meat to be springy. Place them into a bowl of cold water to stop the cooking process. After they've cooled down, drain and allow them to dry off a bit. This helps the sauce to coat them better. To make the dressing for the salad, we'll need Nam Prik Pao, which is Thai chili paste or jam. In goes sugar, fish sauce, and lime juice. Mix well. Lemongrass and kaffir lime leaves, shallots, and red and green chilies. This smells so vibrant. Taste and adjust to your liking. Should be savory, sweet, and sour. In goes the shrimp. Culantro, and mint. Toss it up well. Here we have it, Pla Goong. The salad can be eaten at room temperature or cold, and it goes great with freshly steamed jasmine rice. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button if you like this, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.